Hey guys, I'm Radhika and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you that how to style a simple border saree as a dhoti saree, and that will look super amazing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So without any further ado, let's get start the video. As you know, normally we start wearing the saree from the waist area, but here we will start with the pallu. After we will bring that saree in front and will make saree pleats. We'll make the pleats from corner and leave a little part of saree. After making the pleats, we will bring back those pleats and secure with the safety pin for our safety purpose. Here I am wearing a golden color leggy, and in dhoti saree you don't need to wear any petticoat. Now we will start making pleats from where we have left that part. After making the pleats, we will tuck these pleats in front and secure. And now we are done. It's not just easy but also comfortable to wear, and trust me, this look is awesome and super easy. Also, I made this saree belt by myself. That will also I will teach you in this video. Please stay tuned. I wear this black full sleeve high neck top as a blouse, and I bought this from Frame Forever. I wear this kundan choker necklace and bought this from Flipkart. So you can also pair this saree with a half blouse or crop top, whatever you have. And this is another gold belt I wear. Don't you think this is trendy and stylish? You can also wear any pearl necklace and that will look elegant. As we all know, open hairstyle look is always stunning for any outfit. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Now let's go for the DIY section.